Yes, welcome back again to my channel. Specifically, I'm going to teach about the spiritual and the physical benefits of this leaf called leaf of life. I'm teaching the spiritual benefits of this leaf. In our language, I told you earlier that it's called taameawu, which literally means if you hate me, die. So if you hate me, you will die. Um, it's a kind of leaves we use for protection. If someone hates you because of what you have, because of your personality, or there's something the person hates you about, this leaf in our language we believe can eliminate that person when you use this leaf effectively. So this leaf is very important, and when it is at your area, as I've planted it in my garden, when it is at your area or around your house, it gives a lot of protections and also gives you a lot of that is favor and open ways for you. So this leaf is used to protect oneself. You can put it on your table in your room. This leaf will germinate. So let's say there is a spirit that comes in your room to disturb you at night. You can't sleep, bad dreams, a lot of things that is happening to you. You just get 7 of this leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of these leaves. So when you get 7 leaves, you just spread them across your room. At the corner of your, put one at the corner of your room. You put another one at the other corner, and the other last corner, making it 4 corners of your room. You then left with 3. The 3 you can place this just on top of your window, can place this just on top of your door, and then place this on your table or on your bed. This plant will protect any bad or evil intentions from outside. When someone enters your room with bad intention, bad spirits, negative spirit, that drives away money, that drives away favor, that drives away good intentions. There are negative energy that are being absorbed by this plant. So when there are negative energy in your room, this plant is there to drive them out. That is why this plant germinates whenever you send it. It is a live tree, it's a live plant. So this plant is very effective. It's very effective in driving away any misfortunes, bad luck, anything that does not bring favor to your life, anything that is making your business tear apart, your financial that is problems and other stuffs. These leaves have the power to stop any evil doings in your life. It will bring positive results in your, just try it for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, you see your life will change. So I will always encourage you to subscribe to this channel. There are a lot of leaves, there are a lot of plants, there are a lot of things. I will be teaching herbs and then herbal remedies. I'll be teaching on this channel. Just subscribe to this channel for more videos. As I told you earlier, that the name of the plant is tree of life. Sometimes some people will plan to kill you spiritually, death, premature death. As the name suggests, if someone has the intention to kill you spiritually, our local language make it real that taameawu, meaning if you hate me or you want me to die, you will die first. So this is basically the literal translation from our language, meaning the English language also make it clear that leaf of life or tree of life or plant of life. So it brings life. It do away with things or spiritual curses that will bring premature death, accident that has been arranged by the spiritual realm. You put this in your pocket when you're leaving. You put this in your purse when you are going for a long journey. You put this in your bag when you're leaving for a long journey. This leaf is very effective. That has been used in the African spiritual doings and other protections and praying, in the voodoo and the other spiritual aspect. This leaf has been used for ancients of days. When I talk about the physical benefit, this leaf is a very good leaf to treat, that is, stomach problems, ulcer, typhoid, hernia, especially hernia. This leaf is edible. You can just eat the leaf. I've not watched it, that's why I don't want to swallow. You can eat the leaf. It's not bitter. You can blend it, filter it, and then take it, or you can put it in your fridge and take it morning and afternoon and evening. You use this one as your drink, and I tell you, even the blood formation in your system, it purifies blood and also gives you energy. When I tell you the last time I went to hospital, I don't know, even my health insurance have been renewed every year, and about 5 years ago I've not even attended to the doctor before. I'm always strong. I don't become fat, and then it burns cholesterol. So when you put this one into your diet, or you fix this one as a drink in your diet, it also help you very much. Yes. So this leaf also makes your body look fine, not like becoming fat, but you feel in your body that when you go to work and you work, or like overworking and you feel pains in your body, you can feel that, oh, today, when you take it in the night and sleep, in the morning you can see that today I slept well. The body will be fine and relaxed. It helps you to relax the body, the nerves, the flowing of the blood, the pumping of the heart. Those who have heart attack, heart problem, you blend and drink. You go to the hospital to check the rate of your heart. You can see that it has decreased. So this plant has many benefits. There are a lot to come on this channel. Please subscribe. Help me by growing this channel. In Africa, you have a lot of things. You have a lot of herbs. These plants are the same plant that are used for medicine in the industry. So when I teach you the raw one is better. Thank God, my father and my grandfather handed this to me. He was a great herbalist. He died 8 years ago, and I tried to learn all these medicines when I was young, and still learning them, and also teaching people how to use this leaf for protection and other spiritual benefits. Thank you for watching. This leaf here has a spiritual benefit, but I'll teach it later in our videos. So just subscribe. This leaf has a spiritual benefit. All the leaves in my garden, this leaf has a spiritual benefit. I'll teach you. You can use it to bath, to eliminate some things in your life. This leaf is very good. So I'll just teach you in the subsequent video. Thank you for watching.